Welcome back. This is the train channel. Just joining us at the freight yard. Got a train. Got a short grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Might be going to get those two hoppers right there. Now, this is a really short grain hopper train. Should be in a move here in a minute. Got the light power, drop off the grain hoppers and hook up that one hopper sitting there alone. Now, this is a short hopper train for the fourth time now. We had a single hopper 3 times, and then twice with the short or with the 3 hoppers. Be a switch here right about now so the camera will stay on. Yeah, we got the 2 conductors back after we had Tom only last week. Got an SNH hopper right there. Yeah, it's all grain hopper. It's been all about the grain hoppers and light powers today, but that's been it. No passenger cars. It's up. The streak is done. We just ended Jack's streak last week. And now the passenger car streak is done. No, it has to be empty. That's what they are. But I'm going to get off so we can get those 3 one-engine grain hopper trains on there, and we'll talk to you guys on the next train. Talk to you later.